Hello friends, welcome to my channel, that is ignouassignmentshelper. And I just want to say you something regarding this channel. That is, my always aim was to complete all the MCA course inside this channel actually, and I will do so. So this is the first series I have focused on, that is MCS-012, and this consists of assembly language, and this series is mainly dedicated to that assembly language. Regarding this series, I will try to complete it by concept, not with some suggestions. The list will be long, pretty much long, but I can assure you that if you follow my videos, you will not have any issue, you will not face any issue while you are giving exam, because if the concept is clear, then you can answer any question, right? So also I will provide notes regarding my videos, and you can download all of those notes from the description link. I will always suggest you to check description links, because it will contain some important informations also, which I want to include as a reference. And if you like my video, just subscribe it. Also share this video to more students so that they can get help from this video. Okay, so without more delay, let's just get into the topic. Okay.